Welcome to our detailed guide on how to allow everyone to see your Facebook page's pronouns. Let's walk through the steps to help you make this information visible to a wider audience. To begin, open the Facebook app and log into your account. Once logged in, tap the menu icon, usually depicted as 3 horizontal lines, to access the main menu options. Scroll down within the menu and tap on Pages to see the pages linked to your account. Next, switch to the specific page you want to edit by tapping the down arrow next to your profile photo at the top of the screen and selecting the desired page. Once on your page, tap the profile picture to access the page settings. Then, tap the edit icon at the top right corner of the screen. Scroll down and next to Details, tap on the Edit option. Locate the Pronoun section and tap the pencil icon next to it. Next, tap the Audience selector and choose Public to make your pronouns visible to everyone who visits your page. Finally, tap Save to apply the changes. By following these steps, you can ensure that your pronouns are accessible to a broader audience on your Facebook page, allowing others to understand and respect your identity more effectively. Thank you for watching. We hope this guide has been informative and helpful in enhancing your page's inclusivity. Make your pronouns visible to everyone by following these simple steps today.